Hello student, today we will discuss about computer software. So first we will see what is software. Software is a set of instructions given to the computer to perform any operations. Basically, there are two types of software. First, system software and another one is application software. So first we will see what is system software. System software control the hardware component and software cannot do work without any hardware. So what is system software? Our system software control the hardware components. Okay, and now we cannot do any work without hardware. So we include in this system software operating system, utility software and device drivers. First, we will see what is operating system. It is very important, so listen carefully. As you know, computer is a machine and we are human being. So, how we can interact to each other? So, user can interact with the computer through operating system. So, it will provide interface to the user so that user can interact with computer. You saw when we start our PC, then our PC run and create desktop so that we can use computer. Now you will see when we start our PC, then first show on your desktop, then we can use PC. Is it clear? We use different operating systems like that, Windows and many versions available in market, Windows 7, Windows 10 and Linux, Ubuntu, etc. These are operating systems. Our next system software is utility software. So we will see what is utility software. Utility software help to maintenance of the computer. Utility program is to keep the computer system running smoothly. Basically, utility software are parts of operating system. When we purchase operating system, then also include these utility software in this operating system. But you can also install utility softwares. We will take some examples of utility software like that. Disk cleanup. Through disk cleanup, we can remove unwanted files. Is it clear? Next example is disk defragmentation. Through this utility software, we can rearrange our files so that we can access data quickly. Next example is backup. You can take backup of your data. Next example is data compressor. Through this utility software, you can compress your data so it will reduce the size of file like WinRAR. Next utility software is antivirus. Through this, you can protect your PC from malicious programs and unauthorized persons. Another one is network utility. Through this utility software, you can check your network connectivity and check data transfer rate, and also you can check log events, how many users log on your network. Another one is search utilities. Through this utility, you can search your files on your computer. So these are examples of utility software. Next system software is device driver. So we will see what is device driver. Device driver is also a system software. So when we connect other device to the computer, then first we need to driver of this device. Through this driver, operating system recognize this device. You will see, suppose we have to connect printer to our machine. Then first we have to attach this device into our PC. Then we have to install printer driver in our PC so that operating system can recognize this device. Then after when we install driver of device, then we can use this device. Is it clear what is the use of device driver? If you we can say device driver, if you have to attach any other device to your PC, then first we need to driver of this device. Is it clear? Our next software is application software. So what is application software? This software fulfill the requirement of the user and also it help to perform a specific task. We take an example of application software. Suppose we need a software of our school. So suppose we need to software for our school. So this software will fulfill our school requirement, and this software is useless for other person because it will fulfill only school requirements. So we can say application software fulfill user requirements only. So suppose you have a medical shop and suppose you have an school, then medical shop person will prepare medical software and school will make school software. So we can say application software fulfill the requirement of the user and it help to perform a specific task. We divide application software into two parts, customer design and package design. So first we will take customer design. Those software are prepared for customer, they fulfill only users require. These are called customer design softwares. Like medical software, school software, bank software, etc. Our another application software is package program. Those are prepared by the software companies. They include many programs in a single software, like MS Office. Okay, you will see MS Office. In this MS Office include many programs: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook Express, MS Access. So these are called, what is MS Office? So MS Office is a package. Okay, so program prepared by the software companies. Is it clear? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video.